Eating 2 boiled eggs a day may seem like a small dietary change, but the effects on your body can be nothing short of astonishing. But did you know that eating just 2 boiled eggs a day could significantly impact your body in ways you never imagined? Eggs are highly nutritious and are a rich source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are also versatile in cooking and can be prepared in numerous ways, including boiling, frying, scrambling, or baking. Because of their nutrient profile, eggs are considered a vital part of many diets around the world. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily might seem like a small change, but it could have a profound impact on your overall well-being. In this video, we will dive into the 5 surprising benefits of making boiled eggs a regular part of your daily routine and explain exactly what happens to your body when you do. 1. Increases brain power and mental clarity. Skyrocketing. Your brain power and mental clarity is one of the most unexpected benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs a day. The secret lies in an essential nutrient called choline, which plays a fundamental role in brain development and function. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for memory, learning, and muscle control. Without enough choline, cognitive function can decline, leading to memory issues and even increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, providing nearly half of the daily recommended intake in just 2 servings. Studies show that individuals who consume adequate amounts of choline experience improved focus, faster reaction times, and a lower likelihood of age-related cognitive decline. For pregnant women, choline is even more crucial, as it supports fetal brain development, ensuring the baby's nervous system forms properly. Imagine the impact on your daily performance when your brain is firing on all cylinders simply because of a couple of eggs. 2. Strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis. Another mind-blowing benefit of eating boiled eggs daily is their ability to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. While most people focus on calcium for bone health, they often overlook the importance of vitamin D, which is necessary for calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, calcium cannot do its job effectively, leading to weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures. Surprisingly, eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. 2 boiled eggs can contribute to your daily intake of this vital nutrient, helping to maintain strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Research suggests that individuals who consume adequate vitamin D have a significantly lower risk of bone-related diseases, and their bodies are better equipped to repair bone damage. Additionally, eggs contain phosphorus, another mineral essential for maintaining bone density and overall skeletal strength. What makes eating 2 boiled eggs daily powerful is that it gives your bones a protective shield against aging and deterioration. 3. Boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Weight loss is yet another shocking advantage of including 2 boiled eggs in your daily routine. With obesity rates soaring worldwide, people are constantly searching for ways to shed excess weight without extreme dieting or excessive exercise. Eggs offer a natural and highly effective solution. They are packed with high-quality protein, which increases satiety and reduces hunger cravings. Unlike carbohydrates, which cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to increased appetite, eggs provide a steady and sustained source of energy. Studies have shown that individuals who eat eggs for breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who opt for carb-heavy meals. This happens because protein takes longer to digest, keeping you full for extended periods and reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods. Additionally, the thermic effect of food, which refers to the energy required for digestion, is significantly higher for protein than for fats and carbohydrates. This means that your body actually burns more calories digesting eggs than it would with other types of food. Research conducted on overweight individuals found that those who included eggs in their diet lost weight 65% faster than those who did not. Imagine being able to achieve your weight loss goals simply by making this one small dietary change. 4. Improves heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. For years, eggs were misunderstood when it came to heart health, with many people avoiding them due to concerns about cholesterol. However, recent scientific discoveries have shattered this misconception and revealed that eggs actually improve heart health rather than harm it. While it is true that eggs contain cholesterol, they primarily increase HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL, the bad cholesterol, from the bloodstream. This process reduces the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries and lowers the chances of heart disease and stroke. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs further protect the heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to cardiovascular issues. A groundbreaking study has found that people who regularly eat eggs have a lower risk of heart disease compared to those who avoid them. Another surprising finding is that eggs can help regulate blood pressure due to their high content of bioactive peptides, which have been shown to have antihypertensive effects. This means that eating 2 boiled eggs a day could actually be a heart-friendly choice, helping you maintain optimal cardiovascular health. 5. Strengthens your immune system and prevents illness. One of the most astonishing benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs a day is the significant boost it provides to the immune system. In a world where people are constantly exposed to bacteria, viruses, and other harmful pathogens, maintaining a strong immune system is more important than ever. Eggs contain a powerful combination of immune-boosting nutrients, including selenium, zinc, iron, and vitamins A and D. Selenium is a potent antioxidant that reduces inflammation and strengthens the body's ability to fight infections. Zinc and iron play a crucial role in the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for defending the body against harmful invaders. Vitamin A supports healthy skin and respiratory function, both of which are essential components of the immune system. Without enough of these nutrients, the body becomes more susceptible to illness, leading to frequent colds, slow wound healing, and prolonged recovery times. People who choose to eat eggs daily have stronger immune responses and are less likely to suffer from infections. Because eating 2 boiled eggs a day can give your body the tools it needs to fight off disease and stay healthy all year long. When you consider the full range of benefits that come with eating 2 boiled eggs daily, the results are truly surprising. What makes them even more remarkable is their affordability and accessibility, making it easy for anyone to incorporate them into their diet. If you have been hesitant about consuming eggs regularly, now is the perfect time to start. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast, as a snack, or as part of a meal, 2 boiled eggs a day could be the key to unlocking a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant you. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health tips.